subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme is reportedly gearing up to launch the successor of Realme Narzo 50A smartphone as Realme Narzo 50A, and before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders has surfaced online by 91 Mobiles in partner with OnLeaks. According to leaks, the Realme Narzo 50A will feature a flat 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a water drop notch at the top center that will house an 8-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. The dual-tone rear panel of the phone will support a large squarish module at the top left corner that will carry an triple camera setup along with the LED flash and a fingerprint sensor as well. The rear cameras of the phone is said to have one 13-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture. The volume rockers alongside the power button is visible on the right edge, while on the left appears to have ejectable SIM slot. The bottom of the phone will include a 3.5mm headphone jack, microphone, speaker grill, and a Type-C charging port. Apart from this, there is no other details of Realme Narzo 50A has leaked so far, and we expect the phone to launch anytime soon. So as of now, that's all we know about the Realme Narzo 50A smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.